Fuck you, cows. Oh, the fuck, see that cow? He's trying to chase us! He's chasing us! The fucking cow, he didn't like us. He said, fuck you guys. Well, that cow ain't catching us, that's for sure. What's going on, everybody? How's everybody doing today? I hope y'all are having a great day. I am having a fantastic day, thank you very much. I appreciate you guys caring so much. I am made it to Gainesville. Trying to drive through this fucking traffic. I am running late, I overslept. And I have a few minutes to get to where I need to be. Which I'm going to the VA hospital, so that should be fun. See if I remember how to get there. The reason why I'm going to the VA hospital is because I think it was last week, a cow decided to get pissed off at me, and he headbutted my ass. I had him in a chute, and I was doctoring him up his eye and shit, and that motherfucker shot like straight forward and straight up, hit me in the nose, busted it real good, gave me black eyes, broke the nose, a headache from hell. And honestly, when that motherfucker hit me, I felt like a bomb had just went off next to me. It reminded me of a shockwave after it hit you and it just ringing in the ears. That's what it felt like. He hit me hard. So, going to the VA now. We're going to check it out. Make sure it's all good. Should be good. It's a lot better now. I was able to get my helmet on. For a while there, I wasn't able to ride with a helmet. So I squidded it up. More than what I already do. Oh well. Shit happens, right? Yes, it does. Okay. Oh, thank you, bus, for blocking traffic for me for a little bit. I think I'm almost there. I think it's like 2 or 3 lights up ahead. Probably shoot another vlog over here to my next location where I'm going. You guys might be interested in it. My situation of shit that happened on the 4th of July. If any of you guys follow me on the old Twitters or the Instagrams, it's StevoFS for everything. You may know if you've seen my tweets or my Instagram post of what happened. So hopefully everything gets taken care of, but we'll find out. Fuck, this is why I don't like coming to Gainesville. The traffic, man, it's like stop and go. It literally took me like 17 minutes to get over here, when in the car it usually takes about 30 to 40. But as soon as I got here, it's like a dead fucking stop. I wish we could lane split, man, or lane filter, whatever it is you want to call it, because damn, got 15 minutes to get there, find where I'm supposed to go in this building, because I get lost every time I come here. I get lost. It usually takes me about 30 minutes to find where I'm supposed to be in here, so I got 15 minutes to do it. So I think we're almost here. Rush to find where I need to be. This bike is getting so hot. Is this it? Yeah, this is my turn right here. To the VA hospital in Gainesville. watch for people walking around. Speed bumps. Oh, go around you. Yeah. On this one. Chew, chew. Where the popos here? Oh, I'm so hungry. I would have got up on time when I set my alarm clock. Ooh, excuse me. I would have ate. Got some coffee, man. That's what I really want. I'm so tired. Let this person go. I think they have motorcycle parking over here. Yes, over here. Alright, guys. Well, that's it for now. I'm sure I'll see you soon. So, everybody have a great day. Enjoy your time while I'm getting poked and prodded proudly. Alright, guys, as always, peace, love, and unicorn. Stevo out.